Hello everyone, welcome back to Jackie Journey and my English episode. It's been a long time that I haven't done my content in English because I've been doing my travel vlog, which I do it in Thai language. But yeah, today I'm coming back with my fashion episode again about my, of course, Raf Simons. I'm gonna talk about the stock sales in Antwerp. So in May 2023 in Antwerp, there was a whole week of designer sale. I get my special pieces from different brands and I cannot miss Raf Simons. And today I'm going to show you what items that I have got from Raf Simons. Yes, starting from the first one, I bought this piece. It's an oversized striped shirt in pink. I mean, I kind of see it on the website before, you know, like whether I should go for pink, because as you can see, I'm most of the time wearing monochromatic, either in black or in white color. And I mean, I kind of, you know, want to try something special for me, and I would go for pink, which is a total contrast to my style. And you know, especially when it's shirt and it's oversized, then I feel like, you know, especially if you have to look at this detail. It's like amazing detail at the patch, at the cuffling of the shirt, which is special. And also on the back side you have the embroidery of RS, which stands for Raf Simons. And this item is from the spring summer 2022 collection. And the weight of this the weight of this shirt is very light because it has both a mixture of the cotton, and I don't know how to call this kind of textile, but if you see the white stripes on the shirt, it's kind of like a little bit slippery and a little bit silky. So it's very nice quality of this shirt. I really love it. I'm just gonna try it on myself so that you guys can see how it looks on me. But yeah, what do you think about this color? It's not that bad, right? I actually have another two color, which I'm gonna review in this video as well. Okay, alright, so here I am back with the outfit again. As you can see, I'm now wearing the pink striped shirt from Raf Simons Spring Summer 2022 collections. And my height is about 170, so you can see that the elongated sleeve is kind of oversized compared to my height. Like it's about maybe 20 centimeters longer than my, you know, the top of my fingers. So also on the back side, it gives like a very dropping silhouette of this shirt, you know, like it actually looks good. Previously I was wearing the shirt with the shorts, oversized short in black, and I kind of like the shapes of the long shirt and the shorts, you know, it's a bit unconventional. But however, this is the first time that I'm actually wearing it with my black trousers, and it doesn't look bad. I kind of like the pink on top of the black color. If you look at my bottom here, you see that the shirt at the hem gives very nice contrast between both color, the black and the pink, and I feel like this is going very well with the overall look. What do y'all think about this? I mean, this is really nice. I really love this color. But come on, let's try the other pieces, which I have the similar one in gray, and let me know what you all think about these two colors. This is a detail in front of the shirt. What I really like so much about this shirt is these patches. You see that they really do you know, a really cool patch on this shirt. And it's also very hard to find these days where brands are doing the cuffling shirt and it's even more special because you have two options to put either one here or here. Also on the other side you can put either here or here depending on your how big your hands is. And as previously mentioned about the details of the cotton here and the white part of the fabric that blends in very well with the shirt. Also the white color and the contrasting between the overall pink of the shirt makes it look really cool and looks so classic for me. On the back side, of course, you have the embroidery RS letter, stands for Raf Simons here, embroidered on the collar of this shirt. Looking from the back, it's totally, I'm in love with this shirt so much. Let me show you one more thing in the front, where if you carefully look at each single buttons, they also have Raf Simons letters embroidered on each buttons, which is a very small detail, but if you know it, you know it. If you love it, you love it. So I would rate it maybe 8.5 out of 10 for this shirt. I mean, there is still some room for other stuff, right? But overall, I'm very happy with this Spring Summer 22 shirt from Raf Simons, which I get from the sample sales in Antwerp, Belgium in May 23. Okay, right now we are taking a look at the other Raf Simons shirt. This is the third color that I have from the same collection that I bought, Spring Summer 2022. Very nice, very clean, well made, well maintained. So this one has three color stripes: the white, the brown, and the yellow. So it has a similar structure as the other two, but this one is less oversized and less elongated in length. It has a shorter length on the sleeves. The stripes detail is kind of similar in the front and in the back. However, the cuff is smaller, so it's like almost half smaller than the other two colors. So the other two is like, this is one part of it, and if you fold it, you can get the second part, but this one is like half folded cuff, which is more practical. And on the left arms, you have of course, the Raf Simons patches, carefully crafted in Antwerp, Belgium. R. Simons. Raf Simons flashes of a future romance. You can also unfold it, and then it's gonna give you the extra length, but I prefer to keep it folded in its original form so that it looks way nicer. And you can attach the cuff link in here, so then you can go out in a business shirt look. Yeah, and on the back side there is only the stripes from the hem to the top to the shoulder, and of course one more detail with the RS print, one more detail with the RS embroidered at the collar. This one is also very nice. I'm gonna show you the video or the picture that I wore it outside. So if you are going to Vogue.com runway show Spring Summer 2024 from Paris-based street styles, you actually see me on the snapshot by Philo on the website. And here's the video that I wore the shirt. Okay everyone, so now I'm going to do a review of the latest shirt that I have, which is the gray striped shirt from Raf Simons. Alright, and now we are comparing it to the gray version of the same shirt from the Spring Summer 22 collection shirt, and now I'm in my gray striped shirt as well. The gray one is actually feel a bit thicker with the cotton, maybe because it doesn't have the mix of the fabrics like in the pink one, but overall I still found it very cool to have this I don't know, I kind of like pink because it's not something that I usually wear, but also the gray one is very classic more than the pink one because it is more like neutral kind of color. This is a detail of the neck tag of Raf Simons, and don't I just put the like the sweat pad so that to prevent the yellow color. So but that doesn't come with the original shirt. I just purchased it extra, and also on the button you see that on every button you can see the Raf Simons like embroidered on these buttons, Raf Simons. But you have to very careful, pay extra attention to see it. And this part is a cuff. You can see that my hand is even smaller than the cuff itself, and also the cufflink accessories. This one I purchased extra, as I told you guys. Moving to the left cuff, you see that this has a very special effect of the patches. It's a bit shiny, and the silver part is shiny, and it says carefully crafted in Antwerp, Belgium, Raf Simons, flashes of future romance. And on the Raf Simons letter you can see that it's even more reflective. Very special piece indeed from Raf Simons. I love it. So in the front, as you can see, that is very identical to the other pink and the other green striped shirt that I have from Raf Simons. And also from the back, it also has the same pattern, which is the vertical stripes. The color is also classic and timeless, so I think for the gray color you can also wear it in like many occasions. You can also wear it in the formal situations, in the formal events, or even you go on like a holiday. Alright everyone, so I thank you so much for your support from my channel Jackie Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe and make a comment. I would be very happy to hear all of your comments, positive, negative, anything to be improved in my channel. Please feel free to comment, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.